Hey, welcome to this new video. I got some requests in my TikTok to make a tutorial on how to make these kind of fanzines. So I'm gonna show you how I made it. I used a serie 911 to make it, but you can make it with every series or movie you like. First, I searched for a lot of good pictures on Google, Pinterest or any other website. For every person, you want to have between 5 and 10 to 12 pictures. I got 8 characters that I want to put in my fanzine. So I'm gonna search for the pictures. If you have that, you can start putting them together. I use Canva to do it. I open an A4 document divided by 4. The upper part is gonna be upside down. That part is important. You are gonna get that later. I'm gonna make a layout how I want my fanzines to be, in what order I want it. I like to have a group page in the middle of the fanzine. I got 8 characters, so a group page in the middle fits perfect. See how I put my layout together in this next time lapse. If you got your layout figured out, you can put all the pictures you found in your fanzine. The choice is yours, you can do it however you want to. If you have done that, you have something like this. It doesn't matter how many pages you have. The top of the papers are upside down. That it is important to have. I have to put the group pictures here, so I'm gonna do that now. When you're done, you're gonna print them out. When they are printed, you have something like this. Mine has white on the side, so I'm gonna cut that off. Like that. Now you're gonna fold the papers in half like this. Now you see that the upside down part is gonna be the right side up. Now you're gonna do that with every paper you have. When you have that, you have something like this. Now you're gonna place them in the right order. Now you can fold them all like this to make a little book. Now you have that, you have a line in the middle. Now you have to use a needle and wire to put it all together. Measure the dots to have a nice space between the holes in the paper. Now you need to sew papers together. It doesn't matter how you do it. The next part is my time-lapse on how I sew the paper together. Now you have to use glue strips or normal glue to stick these papers together. That way you don't get these white papers in between and you get a nice and clean booklet. Now that's done, you have a mini book about your favorite series. Now you can grab newspapers, magazines or anything with letters in it. Now you search for all the names of the characters. The best way to get a funny view is to get as many different letters as you can. So you get a funny letter type with names, just like this. Now do that with every person you have in your fanzine. That's taking some time, but you get an amazing result. Done, you have something like this. I hope this video was useful so you can make these kind of fanzines. I want to see your results, so put in the comments your Instagram or TikTok so I can see your results of the fanzine you make. Make sure to like and subscribe to follow for more art tips and videos.